Hey everyone, check out this ultimate 5-piece boxing training set designed specifically for kids and youth. This comprehensive bundle includes 2 durable gloves, 2 curved focus mitts, and a professional taekwondo kicking pad. Each piece features thickened foam and high-quality PU leather for maximum shock absorption and wrist protection. The breathable design keeps hands cool, while the curved mitts provide a secure and comfortable palm grip. Thick stitching ensures these pads withstand heavy impact during intense martial arts or kickboxing training sessions. Its lightweight and compact size makes it perfect for training at home, the park, or the gym. It is an ideal gift for beginners looking to master MMA, karate, or Muay Thai skills safely. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.